Hello students, this is the first video of the subject VED, Value Education. Name of the lesson is The Father, the Son and the Pony. Okay, you will get at least one lesson per week for this subject. Before we begin this lesson, there is a small passage given over here. It says that Ferdinand the bull is not like other bulls. He sits under a tree the whole day, enjoying the sweet smell of the flowers. Other bull always make fun of Ferdinand. Should he stop doing what he likes to do and fight with the other bulls? So here, Ferdinand, other bulls, they usually go on fighting with other bulls and they do not sit quietly. There is also a movie on this, a Hollywood movie on Ferdinand, in which other bulls who are very cranky, very angry, and they always want to break things. They are not fragile enough. They are very aggressive, and they want to always try to break and kill someone. But Ferdinand was different. Ferdinand liked to be quiet. He was very delicate. He never harmed anyone. He was friends with everyone. So the bigger bulls which were there, they were all very jealous of him. Not jealous also, they were thinking that why is he different? Okay, why is he so quiet? Why does he like people? Why people like him? In look wise, Ferdinand was same like other bulls. Other bulls were big, so was Ferdinand. Other bulls had horns, so did Ferdinand. But the nature of Ferdinand was different than others. So what happened? Did Ferdinand change his nature and became angry and cranky and started breaking things? No, because of others' point of view, because what other bulls thought about him, he did not change himself. He remained the same, and that was the reason why people liked him. They liked to be friends with Ferdinand. So same way, we should also not change our nature, our personality on others' point of view. If you should not change your dressing sense because other person says that he or she likes you to dress like this. You should not change the way you speak just because other people say that you speak in a different way. Okay, all the what you think matters more than what others think. If you feel that you should change yourself, that you should try to be a better person, go ahead and do it. But if others are telling you, others are criticizing you, if you know that you are good, but others are telling that no, you should not be good, you should change yourself, the whole world is angry, you should also be angry, then should you follow that? Of course not. You should not follow that. So this lesson is also related to somewhat the same topic. Once a man and his son were on their way to the market with their pony. A man passing by saw them and said, "Why don't you let the boy ride the pony? At least one of you won't have to walk." So he started giving advice to them. So the man asked his son to sit on the pony, and they went on their way. So accepting the advice of that person, the boy sat on the pony, the father walked, and they went on to the market. So here you can see how father and son both were walking before with the pony behind, and now listening to the advice of that person, the boy is going to be seated on the pony and the father is going to walk. But soon they met a group of people, and one of them said, "Look at that lazy boy. He is riding the pony while his father is walking." So here there is another group of people, and one of them is having a different point of view. The person who met before, he had a point of view which indicated that the boy should be seated on the pony and the father should walk. And here there is a group of people who says that the father should be seated on the pony and the boy should walk, otherwise the boy will be called a lazy boy. So the man ordered his son to get off and he climbed on the pony. So here they have changed their positions. But they had not gone far when they passed two women. One of them said to the other, "Look at that unkind father. He makes his poor son walk." So here there is a third person who is having a different point of view. So now these women think that the father is unkind and the son is made to walk. Okay, so the son should be seated on the pony and the father should walk. That is what they want to say. So there are three different people and all of them have a different point of view. So what's going to happen? Who is going to sit on the pony and who's going to walk? Now both of them got on to the pony. Both of them climbed on the pony. By this time they had reached the town. People on the street stared at them and said angrily, "You cruel people, you are making the poor pony carry both of you." So now there is another group who is having a different point of view. Whom should they listen to? To the first, to the second, to the third, or now these who are in the market? What shall they do? The man and his son got off the pony and for a while did not know what to do. Finally, they tied the legs of the pony and carried it on their shoulder. So now, since they did not know what to do because all of the people they came across gave a different point of view, so they were confused. So what they did, they tied the legs of the pony and they both carried the pony on their shoulder. See, this is how they carried the pony. Now neither the father was sitting on the pony, neither the son was sitting on the pony. Now people are not going to talk anything bad about them. This is what they think. As they continued to walk, people around them laughed and said, "Look at those foolish people carrying the pony." Now, even if they carried the pony, yet people were talking about them. So now what should they do? At last they came to a bridge. While crossing the bridge, the pony kicked free and fell into the river and drowned. So since they were carrying the pony and the pony was heavy and the pony kicked, so it fell into the river and drowned. Drowned means died over there. The man and the boy had lost their precious pony all because they had no self-confidence and tried to please everyone on their way. Never try to please all the people whom you meet. Okay, this is the moral of the story. If you think that a certain thing is right, then it is right. You can obviously take advice from other, but you should be very sure whose advice is matters to you most. Okay, whose advice matters to you the most. Okay, that advice also should be genuine. We usually take advice from people who are elder than us, but it depends on us whose advice we should follow. We should not always listen to other people and try to change the way we live. If you feel that the way you are living is good and right, and you feel that everything is right, then there is no need to change anything in your life. Okay? So with this, I will leave you. I will give you some exercises regarding this lesson, and have a nice day. Thank you.